In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use VPN on console via Windows Hotspot. So first, in your PC, click on the Start menu, and here type in VPN, then click on VPN settings. So here, click on the Add VPN button, and here, all you have to do is enter the VPN details provided, such as the provider, connection name, server name or address, VPN type. And once done, look for mobile hotspot. And here, just toggle this setting on. And with your VPN already active or connected, from there, all you have to do is click on your VPN and customize some settings, like you might need to allow other network users to connect, and of course, you might also be prompted to choose your hotspot adapter. And once successfully connected, your console, may it be PlayStation or Xbox, will then use the VPN from your Windows laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!